powerful plant-based foods to support vitiligo treatment. Vitiligo is a condition where skin loses its pigmenting patches due to the destruction of melanocyte, the cells responsible for melanin production. While medical treatments exist, diet can play a supportive role. Certain plant-based foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help protect skin cells and reduce inflammation. Do you want to learn one weird trick to cure vitiligo in 45 days? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 powerful plant-based foods to support vitiligo treatment. 1. Spinach and kale, loaded with folate, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These leafy greens help combat oxidative stress and promote skin repair. 2. Turmeric, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help preserve pigment cells. 3. Pomegranate, rich in polyphenols like ellagic acid, pomegranate supports skin health and reduces free radical damage that contributes to melanocyte loss. 4. Walnuts, a great plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts help lower inflammation and support cell membrane health. 5. Flax seeds, these tiny seeds provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3, and lignans that support skin and immune function. 6. Berries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, packed with anthocyanins, berries offer powerful antioxidant support to protect pigment cells and reduce oxidative damage. 7. Green tea, contains EGCG, a compound shown to reduce inflammation and protect against autoimmune activity that targets melanocyte. 8. Lentils and chickpeas, high in zinc and copper, essential minerals for melanin production. They also provide plant-based protein and fiber. 9. Avocado, rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, avocado supports skin regeneration and nutrient absorption. 10. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts, cruciferous vegetables rich in sulforaphane, which boosts the body's natural detox systems and may support immune balance. Including these powerful plant-based foods to support vitiligo treatment in your daily meals can help manage oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall skin health, working alongside medical treatments for better long-term outcomes. Do you want to learn a unique, easy-to-follow simple-step plan to eliminating vitiligo and related skin disorders? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best advice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.